FIS TimeSlot, making goods delivery predictable and goods receipt more efficient. Do you also face the challenge of not knowing the arrival time of your vendors? Is your warehouse personnel short-staffed and busy picking goods for goods issue, while suddenly the yard is full? How can you solve these challenges? With FIS TimeSlot, a cloud solution that can easily be integrated into your SAP system. FIS TimeSlot, a time booking app that makes goods receipt and put away easier to plan, so that the focus is on picking and packing activities while stress and workload peaks are avoided. How does this work? Now, see for yourself. First of all, we are in the booking app for the vendors. The initial screen contains a calendar showing all appointments that have already been booked by the respective vendor. Using the Book a New Appointment push button, the user can first select the central warehouse to which they need to make a delivery. If the person making the booking is authorized for several vendors, they can select the respective vendor for whom they would like to book an appointment in the selection screen. They select the desired day and time in the calendar and must then enter the delivery data with which they will appear at the logistics center. Here, the following is relevant: the delivery note, the purchase order number, which is checked against the SAP backend system to see if it really exists, the number of packaging material they bring, the freight forwarder used to make the delivery, the indicator of the freight forwarder, and other information such as exchange pallets. In the next step, the user selects the items to be delivered. In this case, 5 pieces of product FIS 3. In the next step, the user can upload a delivery note in PDF format. Finally, the appointment booking overview is displayed and the appointment is finally booked with Book Appointment. As a confirmation, the driver or vendor receives an email containing once again all relevant data. Let us now switch to the view of the employee in the logistics center in the admin app. We see the booked appointment, which currently appears in gray color as the appointment is in the future. Depending on status, date, and time, the appointment changes its color. The coloring is explained here in the legend. If the delivery is overdue, the appointment turns yellow. If the vendor did not appear at all, it turns red. And if they appeared on time, the color will turn green. With one click, the warehouse worker can access the appointment details, edit them again using the Edit button, delete them, and edit the arrival as to whether and when the vendor showed up for the appointment. Using the Notes tab, I can view the notes and enter new ones, e.g. exchange pallets in top quality. In the Purchase Order tab, I can see all the notified items for this purchase order. I can also create an inbound delivery in the SAP system using the Create Inbound Delivery button. Further functions of the administration app are the creation of vendors, which are activated in order to book appointments with FIS TimeSlot. Here, we access the SAP backend system and read the business partners. In addition, there are statistics that can be used to evaluate all vendors who are allowed to book or have booked appointments. The average punctuality and average delay are displayed here if, for example, the vendor has been late more than once. By clicking on the respective entry, I can also view all appointment bookings of the vendor. What benefits are there for you? Predictability, transparency concerning upcoming inbound deliveries and therefore a basis for smoothing the goods receipt load and for better workforce planning. Increase in employee satisfaction. Relief for employees through easier communication with vendors instead of email and telephone. Flexibility concerning the device used. Due to the responsive design, the solution can be used on a stationary computer or laptop as well as on a tablet or cell phone. Benefits for your vendors. Time saving. Short wait times increases the satisfaction and efficiency of your vendors. Security. Avoidance of traffic jams on and in front of the yard reduce possible accident risks. Convenience. Simple operation when creating appointments thanks to clear user interfaces for intuitive use. All in all, it is a solution that makes work easier and more predictable for you and your vendors.